In this video, you will learn how to sell your domain name on GoDaddy. First, log in. Log into your GoDaddy account. Go to the GoDaddy website and use your credentials to log into your account. Then, go to My Products. Once logged in, click on your name in the top right corner and select My Products from the drop-down menu. Select your domain. Under the domain section, find the domain you want to sell and click on it and click Manage. List the domain for sale. In the domain management dashboard, look for an option like Domain Sales or Sell My Domain. Click on it and GoDaddy will guide you through the listing your domain on their platform. Set your price at auction. You can set a fixed price or opt for an auction style listing where buyers can place bids. GoDaddy provides tools to help you price your domain competitively. Review. Make sure to review and confirm. Double check all the details such as price, payment terms, etc. Then confirm the listing. Wait for a buyer. Once listed, your domain will be visible on the GoDaddy auction marketplace, where potential buyers can buy it. GoDaddy will notify you when there is an offer or when your domain is finally sold. Transfer the domain. After selling, GoDaddy will handle the transfer process from the buyer to the seller, and the payment will be sent to you, minus the GoDaddy fees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.